Russia has launched one of its most extensive aerial assaults on Ukraine in months. Over 1,080 Ukrainian servicemen were reportedly killed or wounded, according to the Russian Defense Ministry. The overnight barrage included 324 Shahed-type drones, 4 Kat-101 cruise missiles, and 3 Kinjal hypersonic missiles, targeting both military infrastructure and civilian areas. Explosions rocked Kyiv, injuring at least 5 people, including a 2-year-old girl, and Kropyvnytsky, where fires broke out after multiple strikes. The primary military target appeared to be Starokostiantynivka in the Khmelnytsky region. As missiles hit Ukraine, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov delivered a sharp message to the West, accusing Europe of waging a proxy war against Russia, using Ukraine as expendable.
Europe does this with one single goal: to use Ukrainians as cannon fodder in order to eliminate Russia as a competitor, or, even better, to provoke centrifugal tendencies in our society.
Lavrov further claimed that European governments have poured billions into Ukraine not to support peace, but to provoke internal collapse in Russia. He also warned of foreign-backed civil society groups attempting to undermine Russian unity from within. Despite the rising tensions, Lavrov signaled a narrow path to diplomacy, pointing to what he called reasonable people in the Trump administration as potential partners for dialogue. But on the battlefield, there was little sign of de-escalation. Russian forces claimed fresh gains across Sumy, Kharkiv, and Donetsk, destroying Ukrainian military equipment and infrastructure in what analysts call a hybrid push, blending psychological warfare with intensified strikes.